mambo ya kufurutania. Tunaweza saidia.
And Mandera County Governor Mohamed Adan Khalif has warned that the drought being experienced in the county has escalated to a crisis level. According to the governor, communities are now dependent on overstretched boreholes, while water ponds have dried up, leaving thousands of families in dire need of support. The governor has made a passionate appeal to the national government and humanitarian agencies to intervene before the situation gets out of hand.
This crisis has been intensified by the failure of the 3 consecutive rain seasons or rainfall seasons, that is October, December 2024 rains, followed by complete failure of both the March, May and October, December 2025 seasons. The cumulative impact has left water sources depleted, livelihoods disrupted, and families struggling to cope. The recent assessments carried out by the Department of Water Services in collaboration with the NDMA and DRM units reveal a deeply concerning drought situation that is currently